Today, we're going to talk about Ted's Woodworking, one of the most comprehensive and detailed collections of woodworking plans available on the market, featuring 16,000 projects. Whether you're a woodworking enthusiast, beginner, or seasoned pro, stick around to find out why this package is so highly praised by everyone. Together, we'll explore the details, the variety of projects, and hear what other users have to say about this incredible collection. Let's get started. Ted's Woodworking stands out as one of the best collections of woodworking plans available on the market today. With numerous positive testimonials, it's easy to see why both beginners and experienced professionals consider this package an indispensable resource. One of the most praised aspects of Ted's Woodworking is the level of detail and clarity of the instructions. According to Willie Stark, chief editor of a renowned woodworking magazine in Valdosta, the plans are detailed and the instructions are in-depth, setting a new standard in the field of woodworking. The ease of reading and understanding the plans is another strong point highlighted by Bradley Lerwill from the UK. He mentions that there are many colored photos and thorough descriptions of each step of the project, which exceeded his expectations and made the collection a valuable addition to his woodworking reference library. Melvin Jones from the AWFS Association in Lake Ariel, Pennsylvania, mentions that the collection is an excellent resource for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. He emphasizes the variety of projects, from small crafts to furniture and outdoor projects, classifying it as an excellent investment for those just starting out. Roane from San Mateo, California, shares his initial experience of skepticism due to previous disappointing purchases, but he was pleasantly surprised by the quality of Ted's plans. For him, this package is a godsend for beginners, as it includes a detailed list of necessary tools and step-by-step instructions. In addition to individual testimonials, many fans on Facebook also praise the collection, reinforcing the positive reputation of Ted's Woodworking. In summary, Ted's Woodworking is a comprehensive and detailed collection that caters to both beginners and experienced woodworkers. With clear instructions, a wide range of projects, and enthusiastic testimonials, this package stands out as one of the best options for any woodworking enthusiast. Thanks for watching our review of Ted's Woodworking. If you're ready to enhance your woodworking skills, the link to Ted's Woodworking is in the description below. There, you'll also discover the wonderful bonuses that come with this collection. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews.